On a gloomy morning commute to SMU, Mary Jane pulls out her newly bought Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge while her mother drives her to school in their family car. Suddenly, her mother asks if she has decided on where to go for exchange. She replies no in frustration and explains that there are too many countries and universities to choose from. Then, she launches the newly released Flying Chalks application and pulls up the popular countries section. She sees South Korea at the top of the list, with the United States of America and Europe. She chooses South Korea, and a page shows up, giving her an overview of South Korea's culture, and she gets to read a little more about the country. Being a fan of K-pop, the short read about South Korea actually garnered her interest. She decides to pull up the list of South Korea's universities to find out more. The curious cat in her took over as she chooses Hanyang University, reading up on things like their overview, projected expenses, and school fees, visa requirements, and accommodation available. She sees that Hanyang University has a very affordable dormitory, and that seems like a very attractive offer to her. She had no friends that went on exchange to Hanyang University, hence she decides to connect with a senior who has been there before. She quickly retrieves the list of students who have been there and saw that one senior, Nicole, from SMU School of Information Systems Online. She initiates a chat with her and asks her all the questions she had regarding South Korea and Hanyang University. The car came to a stop, and Mary Jane realizes that she has arrived at school. She and Nicole decides to meet up at 1983 Cafe for lunch to continue their conversation since they were both in school.